Start.
Thank you very much. Boys, thank you for competing. Can you go back? Because if we are
ಹಂಗೆ ಇರೋಣ. ಓಕೆ.
105 Uday Kumar, 151. 106 Kishan Shetty from practice. 107 Sanjay from BF Station. 108 Arasu M from Gaelic. 109 Sheikh from Azam PM. 110 Hanif Rema from Transformers. 143 Mohammad Hassan. As soon as the second group is on stage, make sure you get the third group also on stage.
ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
Front double biceps, both the biceps together. Yes. Okay.
Group 3.
Relax. Okay. Now what you need to do is both the hands behind your head. Both the hands behind. Like close up. Both the hands behind your head. Show us your rectus abdominis muscle. Show us your rectus abdominis muscle, not the obliques, only the front part. Front rectus abdominis muscle. Okay. Okay. Relax. Your front lat spread. Your front lat spread. Your front lat spread. Excellent. Okay. 112 and 115 switch places. Okay. Gautam Naik, NBR Flex Fitness. Noora Hadinalku, Dilip from NBR Flex Fitness. 1-1.
Let's go. I'm unstoppable. Do the impossible. I'm irresponsible. Said I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal. I'm dropping bombs, you know. Oh, I'm not stopping though. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go. Think I'm chosen to be the king of rock. Think the people are spoken. I can hear the tick tock of the clock. I'm in motion, so now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion. Yeah. Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah. Ready to go, man, rock it low. That's right. I swear to God that I can drop it, bro. Yeah. I got a shot and I ain't stopping. That's all I know. Unstoppable.
ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೊಂದಿಗೆ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿನ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ.
Thank you very much, boys, for competing in this competition.
You know.